Hey guys, I'm Clay. I'm going to be talking to you guys about the channel migration toolbox right here and how we use this. So first of all, you're going to want to have your dam boundaries and your center lines of your years, different years already mapped. For this, I have 2017, 2009, and 1995 all mapped out. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to have your center lines and you're going to want to have to create a field. So you're going to want to start editing, press start editing. I'm already editing. So click on the year. This is my center line number 3. Click on it, properties. I already have it, but what you would do is you type in year, and then you would do data type, and you do long integer. Press apply, and press OK. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to find it. So this was sent 3, 1995. Here it is. Sent 3, 1995. Right click. Open attributes. So your editor is already open. So you can, once your editor is open, you can type in these. Type in your years for which year it is. So it correlates back and forth. So you're going to do year 1995. 2000, you're going to do it for each one. 2009, so on, with how many ever center lines you've made. Then what you're going to want to do is you are ready to make your average channel. Use this tool. So once it loads, hold on. Once it loads, then we can have our file. This is centerline workspace. This is where all of our center lines are. There it is. It's sent to geodatabase. Click on it. So then for this, we're going to use every year except for the initial year. So we got 2009, 2017, 1995 is my initial year. So 2009, 2017. And what we're going to do is the centerline file base, file name base, and this is everything for the year. So sent underscore 3 underscore. You can call these whatever you want, but if there is anything after the year, then it's not going to work. So don't put anything after the year, you put it before the year. Initial channel center line. So here, and we click on center line, that's where it is. And we have center line 3, and our initial one is 1995. Click. Boom. Each length 400. This is just however long it is. This from here to here, just from boundary to boundary. And each boundaries, you're going to want to find your where you made this, and then add. There, we're going to have the output. This is wherever you want the data to be found. So I want it to be in this folder, which is data. I want it to be put in there. So we just put in there, and this is that year we made earlier. So click on that. Sorry, excuse me for the yawn. There it is. Not too sure what's going on here. And then we're going to go to environments and make sure this can mess up your data. We're going to go into here, into workspace, and we want to make it so that this is wherever we want our data to be. So both our current workspace and our Scratch workspace should be going to the same spot as our output. This one. Press OK. And we are good to go. Bingo, bango. Now I found that usually it's not, it doesn't just pop up in here. So my hack to making it go faster is to actually quit out of ArcGIS completely. See, didn't come in. It should just say migration summary. So we're going to want to do, get me out of here, sorry. Save. One more time to be cautious. One more time, just in case. Exit out. Oh, we forget to do. Oh, no, we did not. Save one more time. Oh my gosh. Close out of there. And we're going to reopen ArcMap. In your project. And data. Voila, here it is. So now we have the summary. We have the different years, big years, and this is just going to show you the difference between the two, and it's going to kind of just underline them. If this ever turns on, you should be able to smooth the layer. Not really sure why that's on. Oh, so if we just pull in this 17, let's see that it shows the difference between 2017 and 2009. Very cool. And we can also look at our summary, open, and see that there's our data. Thank you for your time. I hope this helped, and I hope that everything goes well with your ArcMaps and your channel migration toolbox. Any questions, let me know. Email me, leave a comment, whatever. Thank you.